Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Wish you a very happy new year. Kids, hope that you all have enjoyed your winter vacation. Yes, it's very cold because it is the winter season. Okay, so kids, don't forget to put on warm clothes. Okay, and eating healthy fruits is also very necessary. Yes or no? Yes. So kids, I am your Shushmita ma'am and today I am back again with our online session. Kids, can you tell me which season is this? Is this summer season or rainy season or winter season? Yes, very good. This is winter season. Yes, and we all feel very cold during winter season. So, to protect ourselves from germs and to keep ourselves fit and strong, we should eat healthy fruits. Yes, but which fruits? Yes, those fruits that are available during winter season. Okay. So, our today's topic is winter fruits. Yes, today we will learn about the fruits that we eat in winter season. Okay. So, let us start our class now. Look here, kids. Do you know what is this? See here. Yes, this is something round object. Is it any fruit? Yes, you are absolutely right. These are fruits. Do you know what is the name of this fruit? These are oranges. These are oranges. Yes. Kids, look here. Here are some oranges. Yes. See here. So, the first fruit that we eat in winter season is an orange. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Do you know orange is the best source of vitamin C? Yes, and it helps our body to fight against germs also. Yes. So kids, do eat oranges, okay? Look here, kids. I hope you all know the name of this fruit. Yes. Yellow. Banana. Yes. Banana. So, the second fruit that we can eat in winter season is banana. Yes, B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. You know, kids, banana contains nutrients. Yes, banana has good nutrients and it is very good for our body also. Okay. So, the second fruit that we can eat in winter season is banana. Yes, banana. Okay. Now, kids, look here. Do you know which fruit is this? Yes, this is a carrot. This is a carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. So kids, carrot is a fruit. Yes, but we can eat it raw as well as we can cook it also. Okay. Yes, our mama makes many dishes by carrot. So, carrot is a fruit that can be eaten raw as well as it can be cooked also. Okay. And do you know, carrot is very good for vitamin A. Yes, and it keeps our eyes also good. Yes, carrot keeps our eyes also good. Okay. So the third fruit that we can have in winter season is carrot. Okay. Carrot. Now the next fruit that we can have in winter season is apple. Yes, you all know this fruit. This is an apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. So kids, we all know this slogan. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Yes, that means eating an apple daily is very good for our health. Yes, kids, apples are very nutritious as it keeps us away from many diseases and harmful germs. That's why everybody says that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Okay. Now look here, the next fruit that we can eat in winter season are dates. Yes, these are the dates. D-A-T-E-S. Dates. D-A-T-E-S. Dates. Hope that you all have eaten dates. Yes, very good. Kids, eating dates is very useful because they are very good in vitamins and calcium, and it keeps our bones strong. Okay. So kids, do eat dates, okay, during the winter season. Fruit that we will learn today is the pomegranate. Yes, pomegranate. 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 Pomegranate are red in color, yes, and they are very yummy to eat. So kids, pomegranate is also very good for our body as it contains many nutrients that is very good to fight against germs and many diseases. Okay. So kids, today we have learned about many winter fruits that is good for our health. Yes, let us do revision one more time. Okay. The first fruit that we have learned today is an orange. Yes, orange. And the second fruit that we have learned today is banana. Yes, banana. The third fruit that we have learned is carrot. Yes, carrot. The fourth fruit that we have learned is an apple. Yes, apple. The fifth fruit that we have learned is dates. Yes, dates. And the last one that we have learned today is pomegranate. Pomegranate. So these are the 6 winter fruits that we have learned today. Hope that you all will eat these fruits every day. Okay, kids, because they are very good for our health and it will keep us strong also. Okay. Do take care of yourselves. Enjoy everybody. Take care. Thank you.